Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to do ponytail. So here is my client. She said she wants center part, so what we are going to be working on is center parting. I hope you enjoy today's video. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do well by hitting the like button, comment down below and share, subscribe if you haven't. Yes guys. So the first thing we'll be doing, because it's center part we are going to be working on, so we're going to part the hair. So I already created the center part of the hair. So what I'm doing now is to section the hair into 3 parts so I can start putting in the gel. So I'm going to put this gel in section. That's what I'm doing here at the back, and then I'm starting from the back side. So this is what you see me doing, sectioning the hair and then putting gel, comb it out. So after putting in the gel, I'm just going to go ahead and then comb it through, and that's just what I'm going to be doing until I finish the whole of the hair. So as you can see, I'm done with the back side. So what I'm working on is the other side of the hair. So I'm just going to put the gel in there and then comb it through. So at this point I'm done making the other side. So here is the last part of the hair. I'm going to do it in section as well and then start putting in the gel. Once I put in the gel, I'm going to comb it through just like the way I've been doing. So here is how it is. So after putting in the gel the way I want, I'm just going to style it. I'll start styling it the way I want the particular style to be. So this is just a simple hairstyle. It's a ponytail, so it's so easy, and in less than 15-20 minutes you should be done. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. So right now I'm done putting the gel on the whole of the hair. I'm just going to go ahead and start styling it the way I want. So at this point I think I'm okay with the way it is, so I'm just going to go ahead and use, instead of using rubber band, what I prefer using is thread. This needle and thread, the sewing thread, that's what I use. I'm just going to fold it into 4 and then tie it at the back. So that's what I use in tying the bond. So you can see me tying the hair. So here is how the hair is looking like after putting in the gel. So here is how the other side is. So what I'm going to do is to take a little bit of extension and then cut it. That extension I have was long, so I just want something that is on a hair length. So I'm just going to cut it into 2 and then stretch it out a little bit. After doing it, I'm going to make a ponytail and braid the tip of the hair. So after braiding, like you see me doing, I'm going to fold it and then twist it around the whole of the hair. After getting that, this is my needle and thread. I will use my needle and thread to sew it round. On getting to the tip, I'm not going to cut the thread. I'm just going to leave it and start sewing the hair. So this is the hair I'm using. It's like kinky. It's kind of kinky. It's like natural hair. So that's what I'm going to be using to make the hair. So like you can see, I'm starting from the tip of the hair. So I'm going to just start sewing it. While I'm sewing, I'll be sewing it round and then keep sewing until I get to the top of the hair. As you can see, I'm trying to, like, when I sew the particular place, what I do is I'm rolling the hair through the braiding hair, that's through the ponytail. I'm just going to roll the extension through the ponytail and then start sewing. Once I roll one line, I'll sew until I get to the particular place where the hair is starting from. That's the ponytail. So at this point, we are almost done sewing it. So this is how it is. Like I said, until I get to the extreme end, I'll just keep sewing it round. So here is it. I'll keep sewing it until I finish sewing the whole of the hair. So here is it, the final part of the hair. So what I'm going to do is just to sew it, and then after sewing it round, like I know it's very secured, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the thread out of the needle. So at this point, I'm done. I'm just trying to brush the hair out. So here is it. It's so soft and nice. Yeah. So right now, what I'm applying is Spirit. It's it holds the hair. It makes the hair very strong, so the gel will not come out immediately. So this is what I'm using to hold the gel. It's called Spirit. So I'm just going to spray it around the whole of the hair, and then use my comb to smoothen it down. After doing it, here is the ponytail. I'm going to take a little portion of the hair and start rolling it. While I'm rolling it, I'm going to put the spray hold, which is called Spirit. I'm going to spray it, and then once I spray it on it, I'm going to roll the hair on it and then tie it also with needle and thread. But if you don't have, you can use your pin. You can use your pin to do it. So just use your thread, and then what I'm using here is thread to hold that particular place, so it's not going to come out after 2 days or a day. So here is me using my hand to smoothen it round, and then here is my thread. I'm just going to use it to roll it that particular place, so it does not come out at the end of the day. So when I'm satisfied, I'll just go ahead and cut it out with my scissors. So here is me brushing the hair. I'm done. making the hair at this point. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my hairspray. It's a shining hairspray. I'm going to use it to spray the hair. So here is it, we are done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, drop your comments down below. Here is the final result. This is how it's looking like. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share with your loved ones. It's so simple. This hairstyle took me about 15 to 20 minutes. It was so easy to do. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you.